Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss V with another video. So on today's video guys, I don't want to talk a lot, so we'll just go straight into the ingredients. And on today's video I want to show you how to cook the kawaida Kenyan stew. So the first ingredient is you'll need some meat. So this is pre-boiled meat, any amount you want depending with the amount of servings you want. This is frozen green peas, some potatoes, garlic and ginger, some salt to taste, some onions that have been diced, tomato that has been diced. We're going to put some paprika, forgive my nails, thyme, this is dried thyme, black pepper, some tomato paste, some curry powder, and we have a jumbo. And then we have our pan. I've put some cooking oil. You could use vegetable cooking oil, you could use olive oil, whatever you want. Unaweza hata tumia mafuta ya ng'ombe kupika, unaweza tumia hata rimis. So next is first you're going to put your onions. So onions in. I like that sizzle. So you're going to fry your onions until they are golden brown. So give this a stir just to make sure that they mix well together. Then you're going to sprinkle in some salt. Then you're going to cover. So you add your meat. Yep. Stir. So you want to fry it for a little bit, just to let the flavor sink in. So you're going to just cover for like a minute. So guys, after this, we're going to add the potato. Then you stir a little bit. Then we're going to add in some water. Sorry about the lighting, the sun is setting, so stir. Ooh. Then you're going to put garlic ginger paste. Then you're going to cover for 4 minutes. At this point, after the 4 minutes, you're going to add your peas, and then you're going to stir. So when I'm sharing this recipe, I'm assuming you have a family that has children. So I like my stew with pili pili, but I can't put since of the kids. Then you're going to add the tomatoes. Then you're going to add the paprika. So we're just going to use our eyes to measure. So that's like a tablespoon. Some black pepper. Stop focusing. So some black pepper, that's like a 1/4 teaspoon, and dry thyme. This is 1/2 teaspoon. Then you're going to put our, it's to open. We're going to put our curry powder. So this was the last bit, so I would have put like a tablespoon. Then we're going to put our tomato paste. So I've put like a tablespoon of tomato paste, and the jumbo cube, I'm going to put half of it. I'm going to put like half a jumbo. Okay, open it. Okay. So I'll crumble half a jumbo. Crumble that in. Okay. Then after that, what you're going to do, you're going to put some water. You're not going to stir anything. So you're going to put water. If you have broth, well and good. As for me, I don't have broth. So put water and cover for like another 4 minutes. So this is 4 minutes later. So you're going to stir in.
Pause.
I'm going to add some water to make the consistency of the stew that you want. And then this is when you test and adjust everything. So I'm going to just put kidogo salt, because I think every spice has gotten in well. That consistency is okay. Just going to cover, let it cook, then we're going to serve. So this is the end product of the stew. It's turned out really well. So feel free to try the recipe and tag me the photos on Instagram at Miss V Kitchen. Till next time, it's been your girl Miss V. Bye.